Hi everyone, I'm Yufeng, the UI designer.
Hi everyone, I'm Talia and work on the front end.
Hi, I'm Ty. I worked on the back end.
Hi, I'm John and I worked on the database.
Our website generates recommended movie if you type in any word you want. If you can't think of a specific word, you can type the random button to let it generate for you. And also you can filter for the genres you like of the movies. And if you check out the left top part of the website, there is a home button where you can come back to the homepage anytime you want. And there's an about button, which is the general introduction of the functionalities and the motivation of us doing this website. And if you check out the red top part of the website, there's a account icon where you can log into the user account using the Gmail. And Talia will later demonstrate with an example of how all this works.
So right now I'm gonna introduce every functionalities our website have. Firstly, the most important part is the search bar. We can see it right here. If we want to search by ourselves, like we can just randomly type something. For example, I like Game of Thrones, so I just type in it and I do search here. And we can see the results of each movie. And you can also, if we have the streaming information of this movie, then you can go to a link to watch this movie on the corresponding website. And then if we go back, we can do the filter function too. For example, I want to watch the animation. Then if I selected this button, then I do search it again. So only this result will be showing up because it's the only animation version of the Game of Thrones. Then we will go back. We can see we have the random button too. This button will randomly generate some words. We connected this button into the words library. So every time we click it will randomly select a word in our library and set the value of the input to this word. So we can start the search. So I just randomly generate the word Stellar. So if I click the search, the movie title include this word will showing up. So every time you don't know what movie to watch, you can just randomly generate something. Maybe you will find a movie you're interested in. And then we go back, we go to the login page. We can see like a very simple profile page around here. I have a login with my name Talia, with my BU account Talia. So if I log out and we sign in with another account I have, so this account name has a first name TT instead of Talia. So you can see we have like the username changed around here. So now Ty gonna tell us about the backend part of this website.
So first, let's see what happens when we type SpongeBob into the search bar. So after we search, the front end sends the query SpongeBob back to the backend result view, and it uses the TMDB API to return a list of movies and their details. So, and then we can see the stream information through the utility API, and it directs users to the specific website. And then, so now when we go into the sign-in button, or
The sign in button. Okay. You
Yeah.
want to introduce a few detail buttons too.
oh yeah, and then when we do go to the view detail, it sends the user to the IMDb site for that specific movie. And now when we go through the login page and press on the Google login, it sends the user to the Google authentication using the Django all of, and then it returns the username, email, and other information. And now John will talk about the database.
For the database on this project, there are three main things that we are storing, which is 1, the movie, 2, the stream info, and 3, the user login. When storing the movie, we store the genre, which allows us to implement our filter function, as well as query our local database instead of the API call, making it faster. And it furthermore allows us to store our own variables, such as user ratings, likes, and views for future functionality.
So these are pretty much the functionalities we've already implemented, like logging with your Gmail and search for movies, filter movies, and there's like room for future improvements. And I think with those improvements, this can be a go-to website for movie lovers everywhere. Thank you so much for listening.